Kebelah pi barang yang pilihan sebagai pi juga untuk kubur mentaka janmit suan pasi kubur ke banyak ni pecuai kemat berkongsan. Beli Perdana Menteri Rang Badu Keri ke International Dairy Federation World Dairy Summit ang bakari kalatai ke Jakab ujung tiap ke bahaya nak kebentar ke Jingri. Bu kesorkan Kelaya ya ke Independent Inquiry bagi sitokit Jong Kibor ke Angelor di Jinglat Head Koi di Napatok. Penskembiang Menteri Rang Bak Kajala bat jele bat ulang ya ke Jingdawa Penteri kam ya ke inline permit bat kesorkan Pedeng. Bat saki ke indor bar kau ang ke jelai ke Jing ya painnya ke bakut halor kemat pendek pun. Ki kubor ke pemnya Menteri Rang Bak Adu Keri Narendra Modi ne kesengi ulang bakari ke letai ke jakabu jing tiap ke bahaya nak kebentar ke jingri ke bapen midot badi QAD kimrat ke belai penyesok bat kenikatnat. Haba play ke International Dairy Federation World Dairy Summit Ar-Hajar Fuar Greater Noida Menteri Rang Bak Adu Keri ulang baya katnat pen midot la itu kum ke jing pen mi jong ke babon ban ya ke ba itu kum ke jing pen mi pat ba. Ulang baki India kala kelalong kawai nak kinong penmi ya kedot bagi kiwai pat ki mar ki belasna nak kedot ke bahe tambah ke perthai nak jing trelang jong ki kenhun nong rap ki baret.
सेक्टर की यूनिकनेस आपको अन्य जगह पर शायद ही कभी कहीं मिल जाए. आज वर्ल्ड डेयरी समिट में इसका जिक्र मैं इसलिए भी कर रहा हूं क्योंकि विश्व के अनेक गरीब देशों के किसानों के लिए ये एक बेहतरीन बिजनेस मॉडल बन सकता है.
Kesorkar jelah ne kesini kalabu dak kenhun bantoket magisterial bat ya ke independent inquiry halor ke jing jalat pet jong ki koidi na patok belajar ha kesini sat jan baladap. Habawan ra ya kesu moto haying dorbar thawaan menteri ketenat ki kampo yeng balak men rembui ilang bak district magistrate kelabtha ya piki boro ubalong additional district magistrate ke West Jante Hills ban penlong ke magisterial inquiry halor ke ni ke jing lat pet jong ki koidi na patok. Kani karai kalami sisngi hadin baki saw na ki hindri ngot jong ki koidi ki lasak bom yap ha upat bhor ha klau ke badan hajan syangpung West Jante Hills district. Iba rembui laang ru bahadian ke jing yo jing tip halor kani ke kenhun jong ki polit kalalet sya kan ke jaka ban tem yo pat ba Henry ki lasak khang lat ha ki pat ba. Laban penkema baya uwei na ki koidi ubla tip kung Ramesh Dikhar ubala lat pet la yo kempat menta kasngi. Menteri Rang Bak jong ka jelah ukonrat sangma mentaka sengi ulapan skambiang ya kajing yale jong ka sorkar jelah ban penyak syakmat ya kajing dawa bat kajing pentrai kam ya ke inline permit hak jelah haba ajubab alor kamat ILP ke bala bu da MLA ke seng kongres bala syapa sangi atre kam jipor ubana nongpok konstituensi ba Meral Bonds aim Menteri Rang Bak ka jelah ulaang ba kajing persang ban yale kat bala ban penulong ya kajing dawa kadang ya beteng bat baka sorkar kadang jing tmu bat pentrai kam shisha halor kane ke jing bat dak bawan ra ek resolution ha ke yeng kham haswa ulang maka jela menta kadang ab ya ke jing yo jing menjor na ke sorkar pedeng.
And I'm sure that the Home Ministry is examining all of those aspects. And as I've mentioned a number of times in the press also, and also to the other members who have asked about this, that from our side, the seriousness has been shown by the passing of the resolution by this House, and now this entire matter is with the MHA and Government of India, and hence we have to wait for any kind of direction or approval from their end.
Kayang dorbar thawaan ne kasing kala sakhi ya kajing yatain ya ka baklut bha hadien ba Menteri Rang Bak ka jala konrat ki sangma ulakan tho nong thok ya chief whip jong kalyang persha George B Lingdo na kabenta ka jing keno jong u ya ka sarkar bakam shim la shim jingmot lang na kibayadon benta ha ka bayasoy ya ka soskular bat ka jala asam ban penbet ya kin reutli ki jaka badan ka jing ka jah pereng kini ki ar jala ha bajubab halor ka jing keno jong iba Lingdo usang ma uloong ulakan tha ya uni dukhat ba ulayalam bakla ya ke yeng chief web jong kalyang persha ulaang ba day tang hadin ke jingkut no jong gawat ke banengkong ba ki hima bat ki wei de ke bedon benta kila penpa ya ke jing persha ya ke jing soy ya soskular bat bala IT ya kini ke jaka sa ke jala asam dak sarkar jala menteri rangba ke jala pat ulaang ba ke jing penbet ha gawat banengkong lale hadin kijing yalang babun bat kinong don benta bat day ha kesin ke banengkong ba menteri rangba kejala bat ki he ki bari kmi halor kane ki lale naru basdang ban penlong bun tli ki jing lang pat ba ka bam 4 Julai ko meno kat kum ka jing sngo sang ma la dep ban pan jing mot na ki nong don benta ki kan thop ki district council ki NGO bat ki weru ha ka war ban nang kong jong ka jing kran pen bet put
and only after the conclusion of the MOU have the Himas and other stakeholders objected to the signing of the MOU and the areas that were given away to Assam.
The number is misleading the House completely. And I can completely say that it's a lie, what he's saying, sir. In fact, the process of the first phase saw multiple stakeholder meetings. For the first time, the ministers and the concerned officials went to ground zero, had multiple public hearings which are on record. So, sir, I would ask the honourable member to refrain from making such statements which are completely misleading. You're in the House. This is not a press conference that is going on.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kajala iba Prestun Tunsong negasngi ilakan taj ba ampen kan ria ya ka head office jong ka Northeastern Electric Power Corporation NIPCO ke badan Hashlong Siguhati u MLA ke sang TMC jong kalyang persya uba Shang Pliang ula kena bakat kum ke order bela penmi ha ka arsan trik jeliu lightly ki office bahe kan thobi ke executive director of operation and maintenance, director of contract and procurement, but director of corporate project monitoring ringkat ke section of information and technology and finance wing kila syak penkriya no nasional Siguhati utan song ulang ba ula shim ya karai ringkat bat ki bor penyaj bah klik do hadin ba kubor bala penmi lang ba kilat pathai hadin ba uba Shang Pliang ula kedau ba managing director jong kanipko Shong Hashlong bat kani kam thau ba ka head office kala syak penkriya no Siguhati utan song ulang ba kanipko kadon la ka office ba sipor ka bat trei kam man la ki por Nagahati ka bakmi ya ki project badang pentrekam ka ba ki don ha Arunachal Pradesh bat ki ki jela ka than ste lami ni.
The question of shifting the head office of NIPCO does not at all arise. Point number one. Number two, sir, yes, a branch office or transit camp office, some sort of, was created in Guwahati, and that also because of the ideal place for monitoring the ongoing projects that they have in Arunachal Pradesh and in other parts of the northeastern state. So therefore they do have that office. But as far as head office is concerned, there is no intention at all from the highest authority or from the NIPCO management to shift the office from Shillong.
U MLA ke Kongres na West Shillong Constituency ubala syak sospon uba Mahendro Rapsang ulai syong daga kali arsaka banlet syakayang dor bar tauan kum sibenta ban pen inuksa ya kijing jong kipat ba na kijing deng kali ha kejala batru halor kijing sakdin jong ke sarkar jela banlet ya ke badan kam. Kami Kalaya Government Lower Primary School Teachers Association kalayai beteng yang jing syak tangan bak lembu por kebadawan ke sarkar jela ban penrung biang yaki hakakam. Habakran bat kedudarshan u Asilbert marak ubadai unahi kai kontrak ulaang banadu usnam arajar arpo ke senjuk kaladawan ke sorkar jela ban penrung biang yaki hagakam henry ke sorkar ke klem sengap satya yaki bat kani kala penlong yaki ban bu yaki jing yaki bat ban penlong yaki jing chat tangan baklem bu por hakmat ke sekretariat ula benrap bada ki hajar ngut kini kai ki bala ajing syakri haki skam mentala palat shipho hadu khat san snem kila syabe no nakikam haga ju por ula kerpat ru nak sorkar ban sengap yaki jing kerpat jongki
demanding to government to keep continue in our service, but they are not listening to us. So that's why we have that government decision has been made us to come to there. That they are terminating us. We are more than 1,000 teachers, contractual teachers now in Meghalaya. That we have done our experience, we have done our training, and we have qualified teachers. But they're just creating the examination, and they have failed us, and they have already terminated us.
Mentapat ini pe kejing nong jingman kesembilan keselang kejing shed kalong apply 0.2 degree Celsius bat kejing kreat kalong kanyo degree Celsius kejing sengam kau hau kalong proposan nak sispa man step bat kenai puai nak sispa jan mid kandan kejing hap slap haki bebon ki jaka Saya sian pat ni penkemai pi begini kubor jungi pilar ban pet live ke YouTube channel jungi news Celang. Show ban pai sok bekut jung tu kubor ngi pe biang saya sian ni kemat bakong san. Pli Perdana Menteri Rong Bakdo Kari yak International Dairy Federation World Dairy Summit ang bakari kalate ke jaka bu jingtip ke bahe nak banta ke jingri. Bu kesorkan kalaya yak independent inquiry bat ke jingtok ke jing kubor ka an halor ke jing lak pet ko di na patok Penjikam biang menteri Rong Bak kejela ban yale bat penurulong yak jing dawa penteri kam yak inline permit bat ke sorkar pedeng Bat saki ke yang dorbar thoan ke jela ya ke jing tanya ke baklut halor kamat bet put. Diperlok katun lepas bakut jeng tu kupor jeng yang tak janmet haduk meni sembiang bat pila syagsi ke blai pi barok.